problem with the road today. Yesterday was a big difference. Looks like the storm damage sign is still up. Beach parking closed. That'll be interesting. Don't know where we're gonna park. Looks like the boats are out and about. Here. Not sure what the problem is. The entrance to the National Park. But I think it's all open because of the government shutdown.
Why does it say closed? Oh.
The ticket booth, it says we can go in. No person here to collect the payments.
There's some out there. People are looking at them.
Some birds. Ellis alone. Oni. I wonder where his friends are.
I know that guy.
It's a pretty one.
Moves around with a bunch of birds on it.
Interesting.
Did you get it?
You can zoom in. At least there's some blue sky.
What else do you think we go to park? If you find it, get on.
So no parking at the beach today. Let's see what the storm damage is. Wow, interesting. Foul weather shelter. Here's the parking lot. Not allowed to use. After the nor'easter. So here's how we get to the beach. Okay, you gotta climb this little mountain right here, huh? So the beach looks good. The waves are pretty big though. The water must not be too cold. People are in there. Let's check out the water temperature. There goes a surfer with those nice waves. That's a good one. today. are good today. There's some good waves here. Oh, it's very strong. It's trying to knock me off my feet. Yep. Nice ship out there. Sailboat or something. Nice waves. Yeah, the flies
Some are better than others.
Oh, that's good one. Hi, beach for the day. It was beautiful. It's pretty birds. It's okay. This is a scenic thing to see these birds. That one is scratching. This place is covered with these white birds. So pretty. Wow. I think they might be ibises. I'm not 100% sure. Amazing. I don't see horses, but I see birds. And here's a heron all by itself. Oh, maybe that's not a heron. Wow, interesting. Yeah, I don't think that's a heron. I think that's kind of an unusual bird we got here. Now we're on the wildlife trail. After 3 o'clock, cars can come in here until dark. Hopefully see some wildlife.
At the beach and everything right there, and you can walk around and see the wetlands. Wetlands are the same.
There's the Black Duck Trail. You ride your bike down there or walk.
Nowhere to pull over as a car.
Now the trail is getting a little more wooded. Some kind of trail right here.
What's it say?
There's a trail that goes to the beach. It's a half-mile walk. Okay, we see one white bird here, but we saw a lot more on the side of the road. There's a lot of theirs around right now. Almost to the end. We're getting ready to leave. So it was a nice and quiet little ride through the wilderness. We're exiting the park. That was beautiful today. See the debris on the sidewalk and the road here from the storm.
I did not make death, nor do I rejoice in the destruction of the living.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment.